Hello everyone, this is Rick and I'm going to show you another great use of InstantBond. You got to look at this and watch very carefully because it's an advanced method and we don't want to screw this up. Alright, here we go. We've got a ceramic dish here, very nice, and it has to go back together. This broke. We want to do this properly and carefully. What we can do here is, this is an advanced method of doing this. You don't want to screw this up because this is really fast and it is super powerful. This is not like a crazy glue, which is like water. This is super crazy and it's really, really strong. Anyway, here we go. What I like to do is I like to use a toothpick to apply the adhesive. Now you can use the adhesive alone and it'll take 5 to 6 minutes to bond, or of course you can use the activator that reduces it to 3 to 5 seconds, and I mean 3 to 5 seconds. Don't ruin your pieces. Practice on something first, okay, because this is really, really fast, but that's what you want. Anyway, so here we go. I like to use a toothpick and I'll put a little bit on here, not too much, okay, less is not more. Anyway, so here we go. Now I don't want. Now I can apply the accelerator on this side, and it will bond in 3 seconds, and I mean 3 seconds, guys. Okay, you don't want to ruin this piece. You only got one shot at this. So now, if you just use the adhesive alone, you've got about a good minute or two before you can't move it. So you can put it on, and you can get that sweet spot. Like right there, perfect. Okay, and now I can place the other one on this side. Of course, a little more. You can a little more glue on this side, like that. Okay, not too much. You don't want it to run off. So here we go. Now you should always practice the dry fit first. Okay, so they're nice. I don't feel any, and don't get any of this on your hands because there's nothing in this world that sticks to skin like this product, and it's very tough to get off. Very tough to get off. Okay, so I would suggest you use gloves till you get good with this. You can use this on anything. This is basically ready to go. So what I'm going to do now, this is where I use the accelerator. Okay, to finish it off, just a little bit. There you go, a little tight. There you have it. I can feel this is perfect. You can't do this with anything else. You'd be holding this, you'd be sticking this, you'd be holding tape down for a few hours, or overnight. This is done, this is beautiful. Look at this. This is the beauty and magic of InstantBond. You can't do without this. Again, this is Rick. Don't screw it up. Thanks.